Dear students, in this session we will study forging. Forging is a forming process in which the workpiece is shaped into the final product by the application of compressive and tensile forces with the help of pair of dies. In this process we apply the combination of two forces, that are compressive and tensile force. Both forces are applied on the workpiece to convert it into the final product. Forging can be classified as open die forging and closed die forging. Now, open die forging. In open die forging, a cylindrical workpiece is subjected to upsetting between a pair of flat dies or plates. In this process, what we do, there is a pair of dies under which we place our workpiece, and then we apply the force on the die to convert it into the desired shape. Under the frictionless homogeneous deformation, the height of cylinder is reduced and its diameter is increased. When we apply the force on the die, the height will reduce and diameter will increase. Now from the diagram you can see there is two set of dies and workpiece is placed in between these dies, and the force is applying on the above die. Because of that, the workpiece is converted into the final product. Closed die forging. Closed die forging is also known as impression die forging. In this forging, impressions are made in a pair of dies. These impressions are transferred to the workpiece during deformation. What happens in this process? We have a set of dies, right? Then the desired shape impressions are made in the dies, and when we place the workpiece in between the dies and apply the forces, that impressions are transferred to the workpiece. In this forging, a small gap between the dies is provided, that is called a flash gutter, and when we deform the workpiece under the dies, the excess metal flow into these gutters, and that excess metal is called flash.